Whoa, whoa, mercy, whoa, ow. Mercy, mercy, help, mommy.
I started out with 2 trucks, and the first one, I drilled a hole in the bumper, and then I took the post over rivet and I machined it out on my little Harbor Freight lathe. Then I took a punch with the help of a doming block and I peened it over so that it's in there nice and tight. And then I took the other truck and I cut it in half, and I took a coat hanger and the head of a nail and I formed it into a little hitch. I soldered it on, I plugged it in to the frame here. I added a magnet. That way when it attaches to the truck, it stays on a little easier. And then I also made this little guard that I painted with Rust-Oleum. And so now he can hook it on and it'll stay on and he can play. Here's what it looks like, the underside. And then the ball just plugs in right there. The magnet magnetizes the rest of the metal. And it's epoxied in there, so it's not going to come undone.